Alright, Code Warriors. Today we are unlocking the secret sauce to customizing your PHP projects on Ubuntu environment variables. First, let's pinpoint where to tweak these settings. Often it is the N file, usually located in the main directory of your project, where you can define variables like database credentials. Open your N file using nano. Here you'll add your variables each on a new line formatted as variable_name equals value. Ensuring there are no spaces around the equals sign, it is important to use underscores between the words, and all letters need to be uppercase after this. Save your config file. To load these into your PHP script, use the getIn function, passing your variable name as a string. This function will retrieve the value stored in your environment variable. On the other hand, if you need system-wide variables, modify the Apache environment file for the server. Find these files in the @kpic2 directory. Open the envers file using the sudo command and nano. Then add your variables in the same variable_name equals value format. Save and close once you're done. After setting up your environment variables, restart the Apache server for the changes to take effect. Execute the systemcall restart command, which will reload Apache with the updated environment.